Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you few entries for my giveaway. If you haven't seen my giveaway video, I'm going to link it down below, but now I want to share those entries which I received this week. So of course I couldn't help myself and I did open 3 of them when they arrived at the beginning of this week. So I know how beautiful they are already. So this is the first one which arrived, I think, last week, Saturday or Monday. Can't remember exactly because I was so excited. I only wrote that this is the first one. So this is the ATC and let's see who is it from. So this card is actually goes together with this ATC. It's the same colors and the same background. So let me show you. This one is 3-inch card. And hi Monica, I hope you like my entry crafty hacks Amber. It's from Amber Kentire Crafts. She has a giveaway as well on her YouTube channel, so I'm going to link her video below as well. So what she did, she created ATC on a black card with the same coordinated paper, and the background is the same as on her card. So she inked, stamped, and I'm not sure what she did. Those sparkly bits, it's like wax or some pearl paint, and I think that plant is called a thistle, but I'm not sure. I know that it's a bit spiky, prickly. You don't want to touch this plant. I think that's how I remember. I think the top it's purple slightly. And what she did, she used a wooden stack, and she used stickers as well on the top, and she added a majestic, and those gems are very similar to that flower. The color is slightly lighter, but it all goes together with her card. So thank you so much, Amber, for this entry. I'm going to put you as number 1. I wrote the numbers on the envelope, and I'm going to add every single one of you in to my list. So let me see the second entry. So entry number 2, this is the beautiful stamped card with butterflies, die cut butterflies and stamped butterflies and flowers as well. Always believe in yourself. This one is 5x7 card, and we've got an ATC in the wallet with her information and the back. And it says this: dear Monica, please find enclosed my ATC for your lovely giveaway. The background of the ATC was made using paint and a salad spinner. A salad spinner as a kitchen tool. Wow, I never heard about anything like this. I hope you like it. Congratulations again on winning Card Maker of the Year. Crafty Hacks, Andrea, the Cambrian crafter. So she used salad spinner, look at this, and paint to create the background, and she added butterflies in the same color as on her card, and always believe, and this little gem in the corner. Look at this. This is a fantastic idea, Andrea, and she created this wallet for the ATC. This is very nice. I really would love to see you creating a tutorial for how to use it, how to do it. So you just pour your paint and then you spin it over a card, if you can, Andrea, and do a video tutorial. I think lots of people would love to see it. This is the first time I hear about using salad spinner for any craft project, so this is something I would love to see. So if you can, please show us how to do it. Andrea, I'm adding you to my list as a number 2, and I'm going to link you down below as well. So let me see number 3. Oh, wishing you a happy birthday. It looks like a first birthday card, so I'm going to keep it aside for my birthday. It's in August, but because probably are going to be away. I'm not sure yet because we're waiting for girls' passports and they are not arriving yet. So, oh wow, she did 3 ATCs. This is a standard ATC with her information. And I can see that this is from Diane Cross. I remember watching her creating this wallet on her channel. So I'm going to link it below as well. This is a 50p coin, I think, which I got a template from Woolly Steph, but I haven't done it. And this is a coin ATC. Oh, she included her name at the back. This is so nice. 3 ATCs, and let's see a card again with her stamp, handmade by Diane Cross. I think she won, was it February or March? She won a PMA craft challenge. She was drawn, yeah. So hi Monica, please found enclosed my entry to your lovely giveaway. I really enjoy your channel and I'm so pleased to be able to support you in the hashtag PMA craft challenge too. Thank you so much. Crafty Hacks, Diane Cross, dabbing in crafts. Thank you so much, Diane. This is such a lovely, I really love this card as well, and the paper. Is it Prima Marketing? This is really, really beautiful. I'm going to ask you exactly what you used. If you can, oh, not going to show this. If you can let me know what kind of card stock is it. Really nice. I love the color. It's not brown, it's not gray. This is really beautiful. Thank you so much for this entry, Diane. So you are number, let me see on the envelope, I wrote it somewhere. Did I? Yes, number 3. Number 4 in a beautiful envelope with stickers as well. Let's see, number 4. Oh, nice card. Some stickers. Gorgeous girl. You must follow your dreams and those gems. So let's see, ATC in a wallet with some glittery washi tape. It's your time to bloom. Beautiful stamped flowers with these beautiful colors. I love the yellow and orange. This is very cheerful ATC. Let me see. Okay, yes, I know who is it from now. Let's read the card. Dear Monica, here is my entry into a fabulous giveaway. I thought the sentiment on the ATC was very appropriate given your recent news. It's your time to bloom. Thank you, which is very well deserved. This card is one I made many years ago before I knew how to be an artistic smiley face. I'm sure you will get lots of entries and enjoy the next 12 months, with all the fabulous opportunities which will come your way. Crafty Hacks, Ashley, Paper and Wine. Thank you so much, Ashley. Ashley was a winner, card maker of the year 2021. So she knows very well how it's going to look for me in the next 12 months. So thank you so much, Ashley. And it's good to keep those cards which we made at the beginning of our journeys. I haven't kept any of mine, but I've got a photo of my very first card, which I do treasure a lot. Thank you so much, Ashley, for a beautiful card. And ATC, you are going onto my list as under number 4. And the 5th entry, challenge entry, and this is from Woolly Steph. I asked for a swap with her, with ATCs. Hi Monica, thank you for swapping with me. I have given you a random selection. I hope that's okay. I have enclosed an additional ATC as a challenge entry too. Crafty Hacks Steph. So she made this card, and with her sticker at the back, handmade by Woolly Steph. Beautiful. I hope you can see it. It's really nice. And this is the swap. So keep swimming. This is a coin ATC. 10 of 14. This one is create what sets your heart on fire. Oh, this one is really nice. Look at those colors, at those layers of stamped images, some stenciling. I can see those blue ones. This looks like a little bit of droplets of from the wax seal, and this is the beautiful wax seal. She stitched a little bit here, sentiment. This one is 17 out of 18. And a beautiful house ATC. I'm going to make those as well. So this is on a, I think, photo paper, and this is one, and this one is a 2 of 8, and this one is a 50 pence ATC embrace, and this one is Pretty Scraps 10 of 11, May 2022. Another beautiful. You can see that the flower is actually a sticker, and she used, I think, stickers to do the dots around embrace. This is beautiful. And let's see her challenge entry. Of course, she done a wallet as well with her stamp. Sophia. A beautiful image of this little girl. She cut her image out and multi-layered with different layers of paper to create the clothes, and inked background with stenciling, and then her name, Sophia. Really beautiful. And let me see, yes, she did include her information in the back. Thank you so much, Steph, for this beautiful entry and for swapping with me. I'm going to send your stuff away on Monday together with everything, I think, because I have to do it all together. It's just way too much. Thank you so much, everyone, for those beautiful entries. I'm going to add you to my list, and I'm so happy. There's so many beautiful entries, so many things to look at. Whenever I will need some inspiration, I will just look at your beautiful entries, and that's what I wanted to do. Look at different techniques, different color combos as well. So this is perfect for me, as a like a Pinterest board sort of. So I'm not going to hold you any longer. Thank you so much for your beautiful entries. I'm going to link everyone below the video so you can check them out. I think yeah, who was that? Amber. Amber has a giveaway as well, so I'm going to link her as well. Diana Cross, she did the tutorial for this wallet, so I'm going to link her as well twice, her channel and her tutorial. So I hope you're going to have a lovely weekend. It's getting darker, so I have to finish this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.